到发声的鼓面在振动。
These are just a few examples of sound. Sound is an example of longitudinal waves, which is a wave where particles in the medium vibrates parallel to the wave motion. This kind of wave can be demonstrated using the mechanical motion of springs. Since longitudinal waves are periodic, we use sine and cosine functions to represent this kind of waves. With much interest in sound, I've decided to start my own experiment called the Ruben's tube. This tube has been around for more than a century. It was 1905 when Henrik Rubens fired up the first. The design is simple. A thin metal ventilation tube acts as the main frame. Flammable gas is pumped in from one end, and holes are drilled evenly along the top of the tube. On the other end, the latex sheet is placed onto the tube. It acts as a vibrator with different sounds. A loudspeaker is placed beside the end with the latex sheet as it produces a sound. The sound wave in the tube creates interference, which results in a standing wave. This apparatus is known as a Ruben's tube. What I have here is a MP3 player. I'm just gonna connect it with this amplifier. Then this is connected to the speaker, which is actually connected to the pipe where the Ruben's tube is. And the pipe down here, there is a gas burner. Alright, it's time to fire it up. When we are playing a 100 Hz sound, A standing wave pattern can be produced. Here is just another observation that's easier to see.